Hey babes, it's Sadie here. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you what is in the Tula 12 yearly kit. I'm so excited. So I will be showing you everything that is included inside here. Yeah, so if you want to see what's inside, please keep watching. Okay, so I went ahead and cut everything open. First we are going to go ahead and look at the washi. Like I said, there are 10 rows of washi included. Excited to look at these sticker sheets. There are 13 sticker sheets included. Last but not least, now let's get into this paper. So it comes with 12 cardstock papers and 40 single-side papers. So the cardstock is just some solid papers. So that is the 12 cardstock pieces, and then I'm going to do a quick flip through of all the pretty papers. So that's everything that's included in the Tula 12 yearly kit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, Planner Babes!